Hello and welcome back to another Tax Tip Tuesday. Last week, we discussed how to verify a legitimate charity using the Tax Exempt Organization Search Tool. Also, we learned about the necessary documents for learning how to file charitable donations. This week, we are going to locate critical information for anyone who is self-employed or owns and operates a small business. So, let's get started. Beginning at the IRS homepage, which can be accessed by typing www.irs.gov in the web address field of your preferred browser. Next, click File, Business and Self-Employed, and lastly, Small Business and Self-Employed. From here, we are provided quite a few categories to explore. If you are someone who is interested in starting a small business, then I recommend starting at the Stage of Owning a Business section. But what if you already own a small business? Well, first ask yourself, do I have employees or am I in business with myself? Once you have your answer, select the appropriate link to learn more about obtaining information such as an employment identification number as well as record keeping. For those that are self-employed, it is vital that you be aware of the required taxes and frequency for submitting those reports. So let's take a closer look by clicking the self-employed link found within the information for box. Begin by reading the definition of a self-employed person to ensure that this matches your situation. And it reads, you carry on a trade or business as a sole proprietor or an independent contractor. You are a member of a partnership that carries on a trade or business, or you are otherwise in business for yourself, including a part-time business or a gig worker. Next, carefully review the tax obligation of a self-employed person. As a self-employed individual, you are required to file an annual return and pay estimated tax quarterly. Furthermore, self-employed individuals must pay self-employment tax as well as income tax. Self-employment tax is a Social Security and Medicare tax primarily for individuals who work for themselves. Scrolling down the page, you will find more detailed information concerning these taxes as well as how to file and how often you must file. Lastly, for those leveraging their homes as a base for their business, here is a crucial bit of information. Click on the Home Office Deduction link to access comprehensive details that can help you identify potential deductions. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, I hope you learned something that will boost your confidence this tax season. I'll see you next week.